The PAWS airdrop has been giving out a lot of token lately. Recently, they rolled out a large number of PAWS token to the community, and right now 12.5k PAWS token is up for grabs. So I'm going to show you how you can get this reward, and also we are going to discuss a little bit around PAWS airdrop and what I think about the launch date and how profitable PAWS airdrop is going to later be. We'll then talk about a few things that I've come to realize about this PAWS airdrop that I feel you also should know about. Let's go, guys. So guys, moving to your PAWS homepage right now, what you want to do now is to come over here that says earn right now. Then when you click on that place that says earn, over here you're going to see limited, in-game, and partners, right? So what you want to do now is to focus on the one here that says limited right here. So when you click on that limited, make sure it's on that limited, you're going to see reach 6th milestone. So currently we are at the 6th milestone. I've already done the 1st to the 5th milestone. So if you haven't, you should go right now and get it done. This is the 6th milestone where you are going to be rewarded 12,500 PAWS token for yourself. Now what I want to do now is to click on this place here that says check. Then when I click on it right now, it's going to now bring another button that says claim. Then I'm going to hit on claim, and bam, I now have 12.5k additional to my initial balance, and now currently I'm having 124,000 PAWS token. Right now, the next one that will be open is the infinite milestone. Right, we don't know what that would be right now. Let's just wait. It's going to be open in the next 28 hours from now, so we can also come here to claim that when it is available. There are also other ways you can earn, you can benefit from this reward, right? The Exploton has 30k, the Lucky Block has 25,000, the Mystery Quest has 50,000 PAWS. So now that that is out of the way, let's talk about PAWS airdrop and the project in general. Now, I'm becoming a little bit worried that the PAWS team have decided to start rolling out a lot of PAWS token to the community. I was a little bit confident about this project initially when there was a limitation to how much PAWS token you can have. Right now, having over 100k PAWS token isn't far-fetched anymore. And to me, I see it as a red flag. I'm not saying that that's what it's going to turn out to be, right? But I feel it's like a red flag that you can just get 30k, 20k, 100k and the likes. But then again, let's not just conclude based on that, right? Now, all you need to do now is to make sure that you take advantage of this opportunity, right? And get positioned for it. Make sure you claim everything claimable before the final launch date, right? So guys, that's basically what I think. I don't think you should get your hopes up when it comes to PAWS airdrop, and at the same time, I feel you should also, participate and make sure you are not left out on anything that they bring to your table. So basically, that is what I came here right now. That's what I came to this video to talk to you guys about, and also to give you updates on what to do and how to claim your airdrop, right? If you got value from this video you just watched, kindly hit the like button for me, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet, so you can be able to get more crypto related content like this one. So that will be the end of today's video, guys. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.